Have you ever wondered, what is green living and why is it important? Green living is a lifestyle choice that prioritizes sustainability and the reduction of an individual's or society's use of the Earth's natural resources. It's about making conscious decisions daily that minimize harm to our environment. This might mean choosing reusable shopping bags over single-use plastics, or opting for public transportation instead of driving your own car. But why is it important? Well, every choice we make, big or small, has an impact on the world around us. Green living is our way of taking responsibility for that impact. It's about recognizing that the products we use and the habits we have can cause environmental damage, and making the choice to substitute those with more sustainable options. This isn't just about preserving the Earth for future generations, it's about improving the health and quality of life for everyone, right now. Understanding green living leads us to explore alternative sources of energy that are sustainable and less harmful to our planet. First, let's delve into the world of wind power. An intriguing form of green energy, wind power is harnessed by capturing the natural wind in our atmosphere and converting it into mechanical energy. Giant wind turbines are the tools of the trade here. These towering structures, with their sweeping blades, capture the wind's kinetic energy and convert it into electricity. The popularity of wind power is on the rise, and it's easy to see why. For starters, it's a clean fuel source. This means that unlike conventional power plants, wind power generates electricity without emitting greenhouse gases or air pollutants. However, like every superhero, wind power has its kryptonite. This comes in the form of its intermittent nature. Simply put, the wind doesn't always blow when we need power. Additionally, wind farms require substantial land areas, which can be a challenge in densely populated regions. Wind power, a promising alternative yet not without its challenges. Next on the list is solar energy. This radiant source of power is harnessed by converting sunlight directly into electricity using solar panels. Imagine the sun as a colossal furnace, sending its energy to us in the form of light. We capture this light, convert it into electricity, and voila! Power is generated. Solar power is gaining momentum worldwide, and for good reasons indeed. It's clean, renewable, and helps reduce our electricity bills significantly. Moreover, it can be used in diverse applications, from heating homes and powering vehicles to running vast industrial facilities. But of course, every rose has its thorn. Solar power is largely weather-dependent, which means it's less effective on cloudy days or during the night. Also, the initial cost of installing solar panels can be pretty steep. Despite these challenges, solar energy is undeniably a promising contender in the realm of green living. Solar energy, a shining beacon of hope for sustainable living. Now, let's navigate through the currents of hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity is a form of energy harnessed from the power of flowing or falling water. It's like a cycle. The sun heats up the water evaporates, forms clouds, precipitates, and the process starts all over again. This energy is then converted into electricity using a turbine and a generator. Hydroelectricity is a major player in the Renewable Energy League. It's flexible, meaning it can be turned on and off quickly to meet electricity demands, and it's reliable. Rain or shine, as long as there's water, there's power. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Hydroelectric power can potentially cause environmental damage, like affecting fish populations and changing natural water systems. Plus, it comes with a high upfront cost. Building dams and power plants isn't cheap. Hydroelectricity, a powerful force, but one that requires careful management. Finally, we descend into the depths of geothermal energy. This is a form of energy that harnesses the heat stored beneath the Earth's crust. It's like tapping into the planet's internal furnace, which is continuously fueled by the decay of naturally radioactive isotopes. The process of harnessing geothermal energy is quite fascinating. Wells are drilled deep into geothermal reservoirs to bring hot water and steam to the surface. This heat can then be used directly for heating, or more commonly, to generate electricity. One of the key advantages of geothermal energy is its reliability. Unlike the sun or wind, the Earth's heat is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Moreover, it leaves a minimal environmental footprint, making it a green energy superstar. However, it's not without its challenges. It's location-specific, and drilling can cause surface instability. But despite these hurdles, the potential of geothermal energy is vast. Geothermal energy, a heated topic in the realm of green living. Having explored these alternative sources of energy, we see that each comes with its unique advantages and challenges. Let's take a moment to recap the journey we've been on together. We began with wind power, this unseen force of nature that can be harnessed to generate electricity. We noted its major advantage being that it's a clean fuel source. However, we also acknowledge the challenges it poses, like the high initial cost and the need for suitable locations with consistent wind speeds. Next, we moved on to solar energy, the power derived from our very own sun. Its most significant advantage is its abundance. The sun, after all, isn't going anywhere anytime soon. But we also considered the drawbacks, such as the considerable upfront cost of solar panels and the fact that it's contingent on weather conditions. Our journey continued with hydroelectricity, generated by the movement of water. We learned that it's a reliable and consistent source of energy, but its implementation can lead to environmental changes, like altering habitats and impacting aquatic life. Lastly, we delved into geothermal energy, power sourced from the heat within the Earth itself. This sustainable and constant source of energy is impressive, yet the high installation costs and location-specific availability make it a challenging proposition. In sum, while each of these alternative energy sources present their own sets of challenges, their benefits collectively outweigh the drawbacks. These are the building blocks of a greener and more sustainable future. By utilizing these energy sources, we can reduce our dependence on fossil fuels, thereby lessening our carbon footprint and preserving our planet's resources. So, as we conclude, let's remember the role each of us can play in this journey. It's not just about understanding these alternatives, but about taking proactive steps to incorporate them into our lives, where possible. Remember, green living is not just a concept, it's a lifestyle. Every step we take towards it is a step towards preserving our planet.